Hello guys, in today's video we will discuss and learn about International Lower Secondary Science. And today we will read the second chapter, which is Physical Quantities and Measurements. First, what is measurement? Observations can be either qualitative or quantitative. For example, Ali is tall is a qualitative observation, while Ali's height is 2 m is a quantitative observation. In science, quantitative observations are often used because they are objective, precise, and can be clearly communicated. These quantities are usually measured according to standard procedures with the aid of instruments. In everyday activities and scientific inquiry, we often need to make estimations as well as accurate measurements of quantities such as length, area, volume, mass, and time. Now, physical quantities and SI units. A physical quantity is a quantity which can be measured and used in mathematical equations of science and technology. Are length, area, volume, mass, and time physical quantities. In the past, methods of measuring physical quantities were inaccurate and different units of measurements were used in different parts of the world. Now, measuring length. Check your answers with a ruler. It has been shown the human senses are limited and not always reliable. That is why we need instruments for making accurate scientific measurements. When you measure the heights, diameters, or how long the lines are in the diagram above, you are actually measuring length, which is the distance between 2 points. The SI unit of length is the meter m. Readings cannot be more accurate than the smaller division on the scale of the major instrument. They should be recorded in their correct units. For accurate measurements using the meter or half meter rule, the eye must be placed vertically above the mark being read. If the eye is wrongly positioned, incorrect readings due to parallax error will be obtained. Parallax error is an error in measurement because the eye is not placed in the correct position when taking a reading. Now, measuring area. Area is a measure of extent of a surface. The SI unit of area is square meter. Other common units of area include square kilometers, mm, square centimeter, cm, and square kilometer, km. 1 square meter is the area of a square which measures 1 m on every side. Do you know the area of your school or your country? What are the units that are used for these areas? Now, measuring volume. A volume is a measure of the space occupied by a substance. The SI unit of volume is cubic meter. 1 cubic meter is the volume of the cube with length of 1 m. As it is a rather large volume, smaller units such as cubic centimeter, cubic millimeter, liter, and milliliter are more commonly used. 1 liter is equal to 1000 millimeters and 1 milliliter is equivalent to 1 cubic centimeter. The meniscus of most liquids curves downwards. The correct way to take the reading is to position the eye at the same level as the meniscus. The mark corresponding to the bottom of the meniscus is taken as the reading. What type of error is avoided by placing the eye at the same level as the meniscus? Now, measuring mass. The mass of a substance is the measure of the amount of matter in it. The SI unit of mass is the kilogram. Larger masses are measured in metric tons, while small masses are measured in grams, milligrams, or micrograms. Name a few objects which have masses measured in a metric tons, kilograms, grams, and milligrams. We use a balance to measure mass. The photograph below show two different types of balance, the beam balance and electronic balance. Both can give accurate measurement of mass. Compare the two types of balance. Okay guys, the chapter has been end, and the next chapter will be continued in the next video. Thank you for watching the video.